And what you have to do is you have to find the names which are starting with small or capital P. Are you getting me? But you have to take a list. You have to take a list from the user. The list elements will be the names of the users or whatever the names of the of some people, right? So what you have to do is you have to display the names from the list which are starting with small or capital P. This is the first program that you have to implement. Is the program clear? Is the question clear? Hmm.
As I joined late, I was
See,
not able to.
I'm repeating it again. It says that you have to write a program that displays the names which are starting with alphabet P. But who is waiting in the lobby? So what do you actually have to do? Suppose I have a list of some names. Suppose I'm saying the name is Prashita, for example. The other name is suppose Kanak. The name is Aryan. We have one more name. Suppose that is Palak. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to display the output should be like Prashita and Palak. That is the names which are starting from P, either small or capital. Display those from a list. So take a list from the user in which the names will be there, and you have to display only the names which are starting with P. This is the question number one. Clear what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. And for the second one is again quite easy. In this, you have to pick up all the names which are having four characters in their name, right? All the names which are of four characters have to get displayed. So again, that is easy. Do the first and second one. Hurry up. Project. I'll be taking the project presentation on 10th of December. Will be okay.
So the one which we wrote synopsis about.
Ha, the one for which you submitted the synopsis. So you have to complete your project by this month end, है ना? And I'll be taking the project presentation on 10th of December. Let me check what is the day on 10th of December. Ha, we can take it. It's Friday, so we can take it. No issues. Okay. So 10th of December, we'll be having project presentation. Please inform your friends as well.
Okay, sir.
That's what I was telling you on that day, na dear? I think yesterday. Let's take some name as Bani Chalo. For example, we can have one more name as one more name as Deep Chalo. है ना? So the second program says that all the names which are having four characters should get displayed on the output screen. That is, we are having Bani and Deep. We are having Bani and Deep. These are two names which are having the length as 4. So they too will get printed on the output screen. So this is the second question. Again, the algorithm is same. You'll be taking a list from the user, traverse the list, and for all of the elements, whichever elements are having the length equals to 4, you're going to display those names. Right? It's quite similar to the previous one. Just a small change and everything will be same. Please try this one. And let me know if anyone having any problems in this. Or then we'll be printing that particular element. Right? Okay. The next one now. Third question. It says that you have to write a program in Python which multiply all the numbers in a list by 3. So you'll be taking a list of integers. Could be the list of mixed type of integers and float values. You basically have to take the numeric list. Okay. So take a numeric list. Multiply all the elements of that particular list by 3. You don't have to display the elements one by one after multiplying the elements by 3. No, you have to change the elements of list. Suppose the list entered by the user is 2, 3, 6, 1. For example, the output should be like 6, 9, 18, 3. That is all the elements should get displayed by, should get multiplied by 3. And then you have to display the whole list. Right? I'm repeating it again. Suppose the input by the user is 2361. It is just an example. You can take any of the integers, any of the numbers in the list. So the output should be like that is the list should get changed. All the elements of list should get multiplied by 3, and after that you'll be displaying the whole list at once. As you know, the list is mutable. So the elements of each of the index can be changed, as list is a mutable type. Understood what you have to do?
Yes, sir, done.
Those who have done, that's great. Those who haven't done, please do it fast. Then we'll be doing some more programs.